Then we go to the table 7. So table 7 is the volume of ED visits and patients for frequent ED users by age group in participating provinces and territories for the fiscal year 16-17. So again, we use Ontario as a case. So it's like different with the previous one. So from the 0 to 17, so here is a number of unique patients, number of ED visits. For the frequency, number of unique patients, percentage of frequent ED use, number of ED visits, the percentage of ED visits within age group. By this title, you can understand what that means for different participating province. And here for the table 8, there is a 5-year trend, total time spent in emergency department for admitted patient only, right? So here we pay attention to here. For this chart or table, it's only focused on admitted patient. If you trace back to five physical years from 2012 to 2016. So here's the numbers, and we can see it's increasing, and the number of increasing, and also for the NACRS percentile is also increasing for admitted patient only. This is the chart. So we go to the table 10. Number of emergency department visits and total time spent in emergency department for admitted patient by registration time. Registration time, right? So here this table is only summarized for the admitted patient by different, you can see, by for all these participating provinces and hospitals. So number of ED visits in 1,000 for last fiscal year and this fiscal year, 27,000 from like the 1 a.m. so different 1 a.m. to a.m. like 23,000. So here is NACRS percentile for different fiscal year and percentage change. Percentage changes means compared to, for example, for this 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. 2016 has like NACRS percentile 66.7 compared to 33. So it's like around 10% increase. Here has the formula. Now we understand the table 10. We go to the table 11. Table 11 is the number of emergency department visits and the total time spent in emergency department for admitted patient by day of registration. So yeah, this is pretty much by different, from Monday to Friday and plus weekends. Here is a summarized view of number of ED visits. So the Monday has like this number of ED visits, and here is summarized chart. Here has percentage change as well. So you can see in Saturday compared to last fiscal year and this fiscal year is pretty much like a quarter increase from 32 to 39 increase. So table 12 is number of ED visits and total time spent in emergency department for admitted patient by the age group, right? By age group, we summarize view about different age from 0 to 4 up to 9 years old. And here has percent change. So if we compare this fiscal year, last fiscal year, so for this one has decreased from 15.4 decreased to 15. And for this age group, this is around 20% increase. And here is summarized chart. So the heavy thing is we are going to the last table, to last table 13, is number of emergency department visits and total time spent in emergency department for admitted patients for the top 20 by admitted volume. Main problem with large increase in length of stay. So this is the top 20 main problems. So top 20 main problems. Here listed the top 20 disease, something like this, categories. For example, for the number 10, the acute renal failure. This number of in the 15, 16. If we compare like the 90th percentile for the acute renal failure, this is around like 70% increase. And so recall, so for our what we have known. So for across these all 13 tabs, we know pretty much for all the province and the participating. If we go to the first one, we all the participating province and territories for the summarized view or the bird eye view of what happens. So now go back to at the beginning why I mentioned why complete understanding of it is very important. The reason partly I explained during my presentation. So it is important because it has a lot of short term, like NACRS, what that means, and also some short term like CTAS, Canadian Tragic and Acute Skill Level, and also ED loss. Right, the ED loss is not it's lose something, but it's called length of stay. So you understand the short term. So in the future, you will see a lot of these repetitive short terms happens in a lot of Canadian healthcare documents. So you understand what that means. So for the level CTAS level 1 to 3 is more severe, a little bit more severe than the 4 and 5. It happens in a lot of in the LHIN, LHIN, Local Health Information Network document. It has a performance evaluation purpose for the different levels for each hospital, for each community HSP or community health service providers to evaluate their performance. You will see this very often. Another reason is you fully understand that this short file is important. So in my future tutorial, I will show you step by step in very detailed explanations how to put these files into data warehouse, SQL Server data warehouse. So this is pretty much the same as one of my working projects. So I want to use this as live examples to show you some real industry used in healthcare, how to do the ETL, how to do the data cleansing, something like that. And okay, this is pretty much I want to show you in this video. See you next in my next videos. Bye, friends.